Hi, I'm Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. Today we want to talk about how much it's going to cost to remodel your bathroom in Manteca, California. With any given renovation, there are inherent costs to the projects. This is going to be the permit cost, interior design, construction documents, temporary toilet, the dumpster fees. All those things have to happen in order to complete the project. Now, what we're going to talk about is what it's going to cost depending on the road you take with the renovation. And what I mean is there's really two roads to take, and that is a forever home mentality to where this is the last remodel you're ever going to do in this space, or the highest ROI value remodel. And that's where you're going to be staying in the home for maybe 5 to 15 years, but you are going to be selling the home and you want to make a smart financial decision in the renovation. Let's talk about the latter, the 5 to 15 year bathroom transformation. So in this bathroom, we are ideally keeping all of the plumbing locations in existing locations. We are not relocating the toilet, we're not relocating vanity locations. Everything's gonna be like for like, same location. The reason being, the biggest cost in any bathroom transformation is relocating plumbing, and actually the amount of plumbing fixtures going into the renovation. So you have your shower drain, you potentially have a second valve in the shower or a diverter in the shower, you have a toilet, you have at least one faucet. All of those locations cost money to reroute. So in the transitionary 5 to 15 year bathroom, we want to keep all of the locations existing. Along with keeping like for like locations, we also want to be somewhat conservative on our finishes. There are a lot of plumbing locations that can increase the cost depending on the quality and price point you're looking to spend. So when we're doing this 5 to 15 year bathroom, we want to keep like for like locations, conservative budgets on finishes, and if we do that, you're gonna be around that $35,000 to $45,000 range for your 5 to 15 year bathroom. On the other hand here, we have the forever home bathroom transformation. This is a transformation that will be the last transformation you ever do in this home. So this is your forever home transformation. We're not as worried about really the cost of the finishes. We're not as worried as moving locations because we want to make this the most functional, comfortable bathroom that you've ever been in. With this forever mentality in the remodel, there is an inherent higher cost, typically starting off around $45,000. We've also done bathrooms well over $80,000, $90,000 to $100,000. This cost is highly dependent on plumbing locations and finishes. So plumbing locations, if we are relocating the vanity, relocating the shower size and footprint, that is gonna jump that cost up because it is a snowball effect. We make a bigger shower, we have more tile materials, potentially adding a valve location. In these forever home bathroom transformations, the costs increase very quickly, mostly because we're looking to gain size and we're also adding locations of plumbing fixtures. Often in these forever home bathroom transformations, we are adding to the footprint of the bathroom, whether that is adding onto the home or maybe blowing out a wall, going into a closet or the bedroom. We typically are making these bathrooms larger to accommodate the forever mentality of only having to remodel this thing once. To recap all of this, in Manteca, if you're doing a 5 to 15 year remodel, you're gonna start off around $35,000 for a full gut. If you're doing your forever home remodel in Manteca, around $45,000 with a ceiling of really whatever you want it to be, depending on what you want to do in that bathroom. So if you want to consult about this, if you want to talk about price, timeline, maybe get on the schedule for next year, please fill out our Get Your Quote form at kitchenhomeandbath.com, and we will talk to you soon.